In this session, you will learn what the Mann-Whitney U test is, the assumption of the Mann-Whitney U test, how to build research question and hypothesis, and how to perform the Mann-Whitney U test using SPSS. The Mann-Whitney U test is a non-parametric test used to compare two independent groups to determine whether there is a significant difference in their distributions. It is an alternative to the independent t-test when the data does not meet the assumption of normality. The test ranks all the observations from both groups together and then compares the sum of these ranks. These are the assumptions for the Mann-Whitney U test. First assumption is independence. The observation in each group must be independent of each other. This means that the participants in group A are different from those in group B. Second assumption is ordinal or continuous data. The data should be ordinal or continuous, and the test does not require the assumption of normality. Third assumption is distribution shape. The test assumes the two distributions have the same shape. If the distribution have different shapes, the test may not accurately compare the groups. Here is a simple data set comparing the time spent on the task by two groups. Let's build research question according to this data set. This is our research question. Is there a significant difference in the time spent on the task between group A and group B? Let's build hypotheses according to our research question. So in here, our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in the time spent on the task between group A and group B. Alternative hypothesis. There is a significant difference in the time spent on the task between group A and group B. This is our data set, and in this data set we have two variables, group and time spent. I label group A as 1 and group B as 2. Now let's do the analysis. Go to analyze and then non-parametric test and then legacy dialog and click to independent sample. Put our time spent variable into test variable list box and put our group into group in variable box and define our groups. I will put group 1 in group 1 box and group 2 in group 2 box. And then click continue and put the tick into Mann-Whitney U test and click OK. This is our final results. Let's interpret the results. The Mann-Whitney U test was conducted to determine if there was a significant difference in the time spent on a task between group A and group B. The test yield a Mann-Whitney U value of 5 with a z-score of negative 1.567. The asymptotic significance was 0.117 and the exact significant value was 0.151. Given that the p-value is greater than the 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. These results suggest that there is no statistically significant difference in the time spent on the task between group A and group B. The difference in median time between the two groups could be due to random variation rather than a true difference in their distributions.